We know that the process of tracking your money and financial information can be difficult and stressful. At Rock Credit Repair, we are here to help. However, keeping neat finances is one of the best things you can do to ensure a safe financial future for you and your loved ones. Sometimes we need help, and that's where Rock Credit Repair comes in. Our agents are well experienced in making sense and finding relief for all your financial issues. Call us today or find us online and let us provide you with a peace of mind and financial options that you can afford.